Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government job as well as the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And I'm requesting you to please share my videos, like as well as the comment if you're having any problems or the queries. And in this video, we are going to see the permanent non-teaching vacancies notification from one of the government university. And from all over the India, if you belongs to any state, then no problem, you can apply for these positions, guys. And here one good news is that with only graduation you can get 81,100 rupees per month up to why because it is a level 4 pay scale. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Kirori Mal College from Delhi. So it is the University of Delhi, guys, and you may check down here the non-teaching positions are there. So applications are invited in the prescribed format for the following positions on permanent basis. The full details of the advertisement are available in the college website, and I downloaded this notification from the college website itself. But I will provide the college website official address as well as the this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may get the complete details, and the application forms also can be downloaded from the college website itself. And coming to the last date for the reception of application is within the 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement, that is 17th December 2021 is the last date. And coming to the positions are here: laboratory assistant, computer laboratory attendant, and the laboratory attendant in the department of botany. Okay, so these are the different designations are there. And coming to the departments here: botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, zoology, fine, and the department of botany, fine. So these are the vacancies, and each and every position one vacancy is there, and as per the caste category also the number of vacancies you may check down here. And the maximum age limit is the 30, and the pay scale is the level 4. And the maximum age limitation and the age relaxation depends upon the government of India norms, guys. And the candidates are instructed to read the eligibility criteria, each and everything very carefully. And coming to the qualifications, you may check down essential qualifications for the non-teaching positions: laboratory assistant, botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and zoology. Pay level 4 you will get. So pay level 4 means you may search out, guys. So you may check down. So it is in the range of 25,500 and ends up the 81,100, fine. So it is a pay level 4 as per the 7th pay commission, and so up to 81,000 you can expect. And essential qualifications required for this laboratory assistant is that should have passed the senior secondary 10+2 or an equivalent examination with the relevant science subject, or else graduate with relevant subject, fine. So if you are a graduate in the botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and zoology related one, then aramsa you can apply, no problem. And the computer laboratory attendant, it is a pay level 1, guys. So the candidate should have the 10th class qualification or else the equivalent examination with the science subjects from a recognized board. Okay, and the computer laboratory attendant shall also perform all the duties of the MTS in the respective laboratories. And coming to the laboratory attendant in the department of botany, the candidate should have passed the matriculation or an equivalent examination with the science subjects. And few general instructions are given here. So application which do not meet the criteria given in the advertisement are liable to summarily rejected. Okay, and all the posts shall be filled as per the recruitment rules of the University of Delhi, and the upper age limit prescribed for the direct recruitment shall be relaxed in the case of candidates belonging to the reserved categories. Okay, that means age relaxation is there as per the government of India norms, and the upper age limit prescribed for the direct recruits is the schedule shall also be relaxed to maximum of 5 years, or the number of years whichever is less, provided they have rendered at least 3 years regular service in organizations, and few more conditions. And the last date is the 17th December 2021. Okay, and all the candidates who are applying for more than one post are required to fill up the separate application forms you need to fill up. Okay, that means the candidates who have the matriculation, they can able to apply for the 2 positions, right? So but if you want to try to apply for the more than one position, then the application also separate, and application fee also has to be you pay separately. Okay, So with one fee, you cannot apply for the two positions. Got it? And all expenses for appearing the written test, practical, skill test, or for the interview shall be borne by the candidate themselves. The university will not give any type of traveling allowance as well as the DA allowance. Okay. And the application fee is also mentioned here. Application fee should be submitted through the demand draft in favor of principal, Kirori Mall College, Delhi, as per the details given below. So for unreserved category or the OBC, 250 rupees, and no application fee for the SC and the women applicants. Okay. So these are all the details, guys, and how to apply. Application should be addressed to this address, and application can be submitted in person or by post or else the courier. Okay. So anything can be done. Anyhow, fine, guys. So and here the application form is also attached here. Okay, so you need to take the printout of this one and fill up this application form, and the amount of requisite fee, whatever the fee is there, you need to take the demand draft and submit each and everything to the college by hand or else by the post. Okay, fine, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them, and these are the permanent positions, guys. So wonderful opportunity from the University of Delhi. And to get the more updates like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam. For the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merge cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there.
So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of